Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today, I'm going to present to you a series of Flutter development tutorials for beginners. So if there's one topic I want you to comprehend completely by the end of this video, it's widgets. Widgets are the foundation of Flutter applications because we cannot construct a user interface without them. Everything within a Flutter app is essentially a widget. So assume we make a very simple Flutter application that looks like this inside the phone, and everything within here is a widget. Okay, so we have all of these different bits of information, but what surrounds them all is what's known as a root widget, which surrounds everything in the app. Then, nested inside that widget, we have this app bar widget at the top, this strip, and inside that, a text widget with the app's title. So we can see this program taking shape in this tree-like structure of widgets, with one widget nested within another, and another buried inside this one, and so on. We also have this stuff down here on the page, and it might be surrounded by some kind of container widget. Then, within the container, there would be a text widget. So we can see that this tree is gaining shape, and not many Flutter applications will be as simple and only have a couple of widgets like this. However, you can see the general concept of what is called a widget tree in Flutter. A widget tree, then, simply specifies the structure of widgets within your app. Now, the Flutter framework comes with a ton of different sorts of widgets that we can utilize right away. Items like a text widget or button widget to create buttons, and a row widget, which has to do with the arrangement of various widgets in a row. Likewise, we have a column widget for arranging various widgets in a column, and also image widgets, and a ton more, which we'll see as we progress through the course. Each of these widgets is now completely customizable, and we can provide them with various parameters to change how they appear on the screen. Thus, for instance, our text widget may include a style attribute that would then dictate how it appears, the font weight, and other such things. We also have text align, overflow, max lines, and other properties. Now, a button widget might include properties to specify its color and whether or not it should be lifted off the screen respectively. And to what extent does a disabled color attribute? So all of these different Flutter widgets, they contain loads of different properties that we can define values for, which is going to determine how they actually look and behave on the screen. Now, at the end of the day, all widgets are in Flutter and are classes. Each widget has its own programmatic class, which defines its behavior and also how it looks on the screen. Now we use the programming language Dart to construct this kind of widgetry structure in Flutter. Now Google has a language called Dart that can be used to create desktop, mobile, and online apps. Really simple to learn. It is comparable to other object-oriented languages or programming. Classes, functions, types, and other concepts are used. And as we begin, I'll explain the code we use. However, here is a sneak peek of what Dart looks like when building a Flutter app for those of you interested. All of this is from my GitHub repository. I just picked a random Dart file from the last lesson to show you. We can see right here, I guess. HomeState is the name of the class that this is. At the end of the day, it is a Dart class. And down here, we're building our widget tree using these various widgets. Therefore, everything in blue down here is essentially a widget. You can see that they are nested inside of one another, and our widget tree in Flutter is made up of these various widgets with their various properties. So we will gain knowledge all about this. But first, what I'd like to do is just update you on that in and of itself. I'm going to teach you all the fundamentals so that you can kind of pick it up as we go through the remaining videos. So please like and subscribe, and lastly turn on the notification button. See you in my next video. Peace.